Good morning, traders. This is Jonathan Leon with tradewithvolume.blogspot.com. You'll see here we have a CL3 crude oil chart, and got about 4 minutes until data comes out. Due to the volumes, I'm seeing that this market is about to tank off quite a bit here, as well as with the market structure that we've seen over the past few days. So I went ahead and I put my contracts on there. You can see down there. And we're just going to kind of wait for our fill and see how we pan out. The risk reward ratio is great, and I think this is definitely going to be a good trade. So let's just watch and wait here. Again, it's another couple minutes away, so go ahead and pause this video until then. Alright, I'm back. Data's about to come out, and there we go. And let's get filled. There we go. See where this pans us out at. Hopefully crude oil will go to zero today. I'm going to pause this and see where we end up here in the next 5 minutes. Coffee time. And here we are, back again. Looks like we've blown the lows on the 60-minute. We'll get right to that here in a second. But first off, as you can see right here, volume has dissipated dramatically, and that was while price was trying to push up. And you have some doji, or you have a doji right here, into a 60. See that we just blew this low. We're sitting right here, so we're going to see if we can get past this nonsense and start blowing back on down here. Might take a little bit here, but hopefully we don't get any demand or too much of demand right here to push this back up into our position. But we'll see, right? It's not over until the fat lady sinks. So let's wait and see. And we're back, and looks like we've polished off to through this bottom right here, and we came down here to test this bottom, and kind of seen some big players come into here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get half off and see if we can get the other five to run. Let's go ahead and do that. And got our 5 right there to be taken. That shouldn't take more than a minute. Alright, there's alarm number 1. Now let's go ahead and take this 10 off. And replace that with a 5. Let's see where we could stick this. Right back up here. Depending on how we react here in the next couple minutes, I might actually just rip off the second part of the trade. What I like to do sometimes is take all but one or two off and leave them at break even and see how the rest of the day turns out, because these data days can be sometimes tricky. Well, I guess we'll just go ahead and pause here again and see you in another minute or two. Just kind of walking you guys through this whole trade here. Alright, back again. Getting the rejection off the bottom here. I'm actually going to do what I usually do. I'm going to go ahead and pull a couple more off and leave two running for the term of the run, or break even, or close to break even. So let's pop another 3 contracts off here. So I'm going to buy those back just at the market. And there we go. Nice alarm there. Let's go ahead and take these off here. This is great. The you can actually enter the order on the chart. Makes it a lot simpler. And we have 2 more on, so I'm going to go ahead and move those up to here. A bit below break even, but if price is going to move down, it actually shouldn't move down or move up more than here, because as you can see, this is a pretty strong area. We hit here a couple times and then bounced off it and bounced and stuff, so it's going to kind of watch and wait, but stop is going to be placed up here. Well, it looks like we have another attempt at this bottom right here, and our friends from the pits are actually starting to buy in here a little bit. So I'm maybe looking to exit if we reject this bottom here again. But hey, you never know, it could just blow right through it. It looks like we're getting more and more rejection off this bottom. We broke this low, and as well as our low over here from the 60. I'm just going to go ahead and exit this as well. Save those profits. Again, this is data day, so we whip back and forth pretty quickly. Well, traders, there we are. There's our oil report, Wednesday, July 1st, 2009. You can reach me at tradingwithvolume.blogspot.com. I trade with primarily volume and price structure and order flow. I also use markets when they all pair together and they flow together. Again, this is Jonathan Leon. Have a great day.